That's what I need to talk to, because they're not getting time to practice. Suppose if I send the next week,
Yeah,
it will
yeah, I
be a
understand your
problem
problem.
for them, for everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, then.
Okay.
Thank you. You can carry on, Suresh.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Okay. So
And the thing is, when we are listening to the video, I feel as if okay, it's very easy, but when you are doing it, it's very tough. For every single thing, we have to check. Oh, what did I miss? What did I miss? Something
that's
like, to
Like
me,
obvious.
I
it's
don't know.
taking a lot
That's
of time.
obvious.
Even if yeah, if it's a 1 hour video, it's
Hmm.
Yeah.
taking like 2 hours to practice.
Yeah, that's obvious. I told you, right? It's not easy because because it is handy for me. I can go to I mean, I can navigate easily across the options, but you need
Yeah.
to really find the options. Of course, it
Explore
takes
first everything.
1 week
Like,
for you. After that, you will get comfortable with it. But still, when I am showing it to you something, you will feel it is easy. But unless you do this, you will not feel comfortable. Okay. So that's the
yeah.
reason I'm forcing you to practice. Okay, because this is not some theory, it is visual querying, and obviously you need practice. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Uh, I mean, it will take 1 week for you to understand various options where they are and all the navigation. Beyond that, you will get comfortable unless, I mean, only if you practice. Okay.
And
Fine.
since it's been a
Yeah.
long break, it's like searching everything on
Yeah,
YouTube.
yeah. That is common though. For a tool, it is common. Okay, fine. Today we'll be discussing about sorting. In sorting, again, there are two types of sorting. One is computed sorting, and another one is manual sorting. Computed sorting means just using inbuilt sorting features. Uh, it will sort you automatically. And manual sorting means we can it allows us to sort irrespective of the alphabetical order or any numeric ascending or descending. We can place in the order whichever we want. That is manual sorting. Let us go through computed sorting first. That's most commonly used. Let us take okay. So now I have multiple bars, and the value is not sorted. You can see that this is not sorted, right? So if I would like to sort uh, by sales, what I should do is I can just click on the sort icon which is available on axis. Okay, so I can choose ascending and descending. If you click it once again, it will remove the sorting. Okay, first time it will be in descending order, second time it will be in ascending order. If you click it third time, it will be it will remove the sorting. This is very simple, right? And most common. It's not something great or it's not tough to remember. Okay, so that is sorting using a grid. Fine. What else? I have more options to sort, and I need more options because I have more situations. What I will do is I'll take state. Okay. Now what I would like to do is I would like to uh, sort by sales. Again, here there is another option: sorting ascending order or descending order. I can sort either way I want. And again, this is by sales. The tooltip also is showing you sort state descending by sales. So it is by sales. What if I would like to sort it by name of the state? So here I have the option. It allows me to sort it by name of the state. And if you look at the pill, see, it is representing sort icon on the pill also. This is, I mean, because it's a visual tool, it will, if there are multiple uh, dimensions, then in that it will help us to understand on which field it is sorted, and it is showing whether it is descending or ascending. It is in this case descending.
Descending.
Okay, so I can change, and the representation will be here. It is data source order, and now it is sorted on the ascending order. So this way I can sort either by dimensions or by measures. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us take one more scenario. Now I will take a hierarchy. Okay. So I have a hierarchy now, and if I would like to sort when there is a hierarchy, how does sort behaves? Let us sort on category. Okay, and notice it carefully. If I sort on category, what happens to the subcategory? I mean, obviously it is sorted on category. Then what happens to the subcategory? Carefully notice it. So if I, in the furniture, it is bookcases, chairs, furnishings, tables. This is the order in the furniture. And now I am sorting. What happened? Furniture is at the last, and now it is, see, bookcases, chairs, furnishing, and tables. It is not changed. Only category is changed. So sorting respects hierarchies also. If you are sorting this field, it will sort only this field, not the other fields. If you are sorting subcategories, see what happens. I am sorting by descending order. It is not sorting all the subcategories in descending order. It is sorting subcategories within category in descending order. Are you able to follow?
Yeah.
When you sort subcategory, it only sorts within that subcategory.
Within that category,
Within the
Okay,
category.
okay, okay,
right? It is not sorting across all the subcategories. It is sorting within the category.
okay.
Okay, so sorting respects hierarchies. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, it is simple, not a big deal. And there are manual sorting also. What is manual sorting? Let us take uh, this one, and it is ascending or descending. In either case, office supplies is in the middle, right? So if I would like to place this office supplies somewhere else, I can reorder. This is manual sorting. Okay, you can select that header and drag it across where and place it wherever you want. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one way of manual sorting, but it may not be easy while doing this header. Here there are only three, so it is handy, but may not be the case when there are multiple values. Let us take states. Okay, now I can still drag it and place it wherever I want. Manual sorting is there. Okay, but it may not be easy to drag the headers on a visual representation. So what is the other option is you can go for state pill, and there is sort option on the pill. Okay, click that sort option. Now it has manual sorting. Here also you can move them up and down as you want. Okay, so this way also you can sort, you can apply manual sorting. And okay, so the sorting is applied. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And again, this is also not a great feature, it is also very simple feature. Let us take one more scenario. Okay, now as per this, what's happening is all the blue marks are shown at the top, right? Blue is nothing but furniture, isn't it? Here
Mm-hmm.
I have multiple colors, for each color representing each category. So blue is representing furniture, and I would like to get products from office supplies category onto the top. So how do I do that? I can sort the color legend. Now see, office supplies products are on the top. So this way we can sort overlapped marks as we require. This is also manual sorting. See, I will pull technology products onto the top. Okay, see, it is technology. Are you following?
Yeah.
When there is overlapping of marks, what you can do? You can sort them using the color legend. Are you following?
Yes.
What is this left category towards the right side? Does that mean category is sorted but not product ID is sorted?
I didn't get you.
In the marks,
Uh-huh.
category is product ID which is on color. A
Okay.
category has a sorting symbol whereas the product ID doesn't.
Oh,
So
this one.
it does. Oh yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Category is sorted.
product ID is
Yeah.
not.
That's the reason it is showing sorting symbol.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is something new at least. All the rest of the things are pretty common. This is something new in Tableau. Okay.
Is this good only for this kind of chart or?
Yeah, it is. I mean, you can apply sorting using color legend for any chart, but in this case it is overlapped, right? So it makes
Yeah.
sense here.
Because others like anyway it individually shows.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So that is useful when we have overlapping. Let us take one more scenario. Okay, now what I will do is I will pick few subcategories and I can sort only these subcategories. See, there is a sort ascending, sort descending for tooltip. Rest of the marks
When
are not affected. Only selected marks are affected, isn't it?
when doing filters in like header filter,
Mm-hmm.
we couldn't see the sorting symbols. It was only like a attachment symbol and the set symbol, and I didn't see the sorting.
Maybe
I
you did
guess
not notice it. It will
maybe
be there.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. We have same options. Keep only
Okay.
exclude, attachment symbol and set symbol.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll check.
These options will be common.
Okay.
Okay. So here also I can apply sorting. Okay. So this is again manual sorting. You are picking some subcategories manually and you are sorting it, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So see here it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Okay. This was your question, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. If you pull category, now it makes sense.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Any more doubts?
No.
No doubts?
No.
Okay. Of course, it is simple though. Fine. So that is about sorting. We discussed about computer sorting and manual sorting, and we discussed about sorting on an axis, sorting it grid, sorting when there is a hierarchy, and for manual sorting we discussed sorting overlapping data, and we discussed about sorting option in tooltip and as well as toolbar. Just a second, please hold on the line. I need to answer a call.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Fine. We have discussed about option sorting option on tooltip as well as toolbar, and we discussed
What is
how
overlapping data?
overlapping means this one. It has the marks are overlapped, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This one. Okay.
Oh.
Fine. And we have also discussed dragging and dropping of the headers, right? Sorry. Mm, here I can drag and drop headers. So, and we have also discussed sorting on pop-up. So here also I can apply sorting on pop-up. Okay, let us see how how can we apply sorting when there are multiple measures. How does it behave? Let us take state, sales, and profit. Okay, now this sorting is applied on what?
State.
State descending order.
No,
No,
it
now
is
it's
applying
back in
on
order.
sales. No, I think it is not sales also.
Not.
It is doing something. I think it is doing some. It is not sorting on any particular measure. Okay, I can see disordered values. Okay, I think it has some other algorithm. If I would like to sort on any particular field, any particular measure, I can sort on that particular thing. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
So this way, when you have multiple measures also, you can apply choose sort. And there is another way, another option here. See, here also I can choose the field. Sort by sales or profit. It is applying. Okay? Okay. Let us see what happens if I pull subcategory and sales, and I would like to sort on category field. Okay, here it doesn't allow. Even I wanted to try, but it doesn't allow. It is still applying aggregation. Okay, so it is always suggestible for measure fields. Fine. Any more questions? Hello.
The last one,
Yeah.
which was,
Which one?
yeah, this one.
Okay.
Just tried to see.
Yeah, I just
Oh,
tried. Even I was curious if I can apply sorting on category when there is subcategory,
okay.
but it didn't allow.
Oh, it is.
I just thought like that I can do that. Fine. No questions, right?
Why didn't it,
Why it didn't work?
It is sorting. It is you can choose a field and you have to apply some aggregation.
Measures.
Yes. What I can do is I can do something else. Let me show you.
you cannot do directly like
Yeah.
sorting on category?
Let me wait. So what I can do is I can sort by count of city. I can sort states by count of cities.
Mm-hmm.
Did you notice?
Yeah.
But this has no hierarchy, right?
There is no hierarchy. Even city is not on the view.
Okay.
But still, I can apply sorting on the count of city.
Okay, the number of cities in the state.
Yeah, number of cities in the state. Okay,
Now it did.
you got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, when it is up to us, we have to constantly explore the tool and various data sources. Then we'll get more and more knowledge. Okay, fine. So that is about sorting, and let us discuss groups concept. What are groups? Groups are basically a combination of dimension members. I can combine multiple dimension members, means let's say there are multiple cities. I can group them into a group. I can together bind all those cities into a group of cities, like metropolitan cities or something else. Okay, so I can group dimension members. When do we use it generally? Generally, when we do grouping uh, to correct data errors. Let's say we are getting data from multiple data sources, and let's take Hyderabad. So in one data source, Hyderabad is mentioned as HYD. In the other data source, it is mentioned with complete name. So what we can do is, using grouping, we can say HYD and Hyderabad both are same. So we can correct the data errors. Let us say something like Madras and Chennai. You are dealing with some data set which has data for last 20 years. In 1990s, the city name of the city will be Madras. Now the name of the city is Chennai. So you can group those two data members and say this is only one city. Madras is nothing but Chennai. So you can group them like this. You can correct data errors, and also not only for data errors, we can also use it for creating higher level of attributes, like I told you, right? Metropolitan cities. Okay, cities with more than 10,000 10 1 million population, cities with more than 5 million population, like this. So I can create multiple buckets, that is nothing but groups. So I can create more number of uh, hierarchies, we can say, like category and subcategory. I can group multiple subcategories into a category. That is nothing but hierarchy, creating a hierarchy, category and subcategory, isn't it? Let us try. How do we group? uh, what I will do is, I will pick states and see there is an option, create group. So I will pick some states. Can you tell me northeast states in US?
Connecticut, New Jersey, New York.
Okay, New York, New Jersey.
New Hampshire,
Okay,
Vermont, Vermont if you have V.
Connecticut.
where is that? Which one?
Connecticut, under Colorado.
Okay.
We all stay there.
Oh, really? Okay, fine. That's it. So let us name them some north region. Okay. So like this, I can pick some other states into south region. Okay, so like this I can create multiple groups, and what I also have is I can include a other group, means all the rest of the data members into other. Okay, so now I can call it as some region, or region is already exist. Let us call it as custom region. Okay, see what happens if I pull custom regions and states. So what I can do, I can create a hierarchy with this. So it is as simple as category and subcategory. So in this case there are no data errors, but still I can create higher granularity attributes, so that will you can call it as some other attribute, isn't it? Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, so the purpose of creating groups is
Groups.
to correct data errors and to create higher granularity attributes. Okay, is that clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay, cool. So if I want to edit the group, what I need to do, I can simply right click on the group and say edit. And if you would like to ungroup the data members within a group, what you can do, you can simply select that particular group and say ungroup. All the ungrouped members are in other, because we wanted to keep it like that. Okay, so let us ungroup this one. You can ungroup. Okay, let us combine these groups. Okay, how do we group them? Select both of them and say north region and south region. We can combine the states in that group. What did we do? We selected both north region and south region and applied group. Is that clear?
Yeah. Can we also create groups from the field itself?
From the, yeah,
Like the field icon.
field, that's what, right? We came here from state.
State.
From state, I have chosen create group.
Okay.
That is how we started, right? Fine. So here I have more options on groups. So I did not save this, so uh, all these regions are as is. So what I can do, I can combine these groups, north and south region. Okay, and I can ungroup them, and I can remove other. Okay, and I can create more groups also using like this. All the um, see, these are all the members, these are all the states which has a letter, or if I select states with starts with a, I can select all those states with which name starts with a, and it will highlight, it will select all the members, and I can say group. Okay, So like this, I have multiple options. So here in this case, I can choose only only within a particular group also. How? Let us see. See, now it is highlighting members which has a only within North region and South region group. Even the first three states, Alabama, Arizona, and Arkansas, is it? So that also contains A. But still, as I choose to select only from this group, it is highlighting only these members. Okay, if you would like to group them separately, you can group them separately. Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, once you apply, it will be saved. Okay, see, the changes are written. If you would like to put all other states into other, you can put all other states into other. Any questions?
Yeah.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we have discussed about why groups are required and how do I create a group and how do I edit a group. Now we'll discuss in more something else, some advanced thing. We'll discuss how do we group dimension members from multiple groups. Sorry, from multiple dimensions. So far, what we did is we grouped members within a dimension, within a state or within a subcategory. Let us group across the members, data across the dimensions. What I will do is, let's take region and subcategory. Okay. Now what I have is I have a scatter plot. I have different marks. Each mark is representing a region and a particular subcategory and its profit and sales, right? So what I will do is I will select a set of marks which are giving high profit and high sales, okay, and I can group them. See, I have the option on the tooltip. This paperclip icon will help us to group these members. Let us click that.
Here I don't see sorting symbols.
Here on a scatter plot, you will not see sorting.
Okay, in marks only you
Yeah.
see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here I have three options: group all dimensions, or group only region, or group only subcategory. So what I will do, I will choose all dimensions. Okay. See, it has created a group with region and subcategory. You can check it on the dimension data pane also. See, it is region and subcategory, and go to edit. See, it has grouped category, subcategory, and region both. So this way we can create groups across any number of dimensions. Is that clear?
Can you repeat this one more time?
Yeah, sure. Let us delete it. Okay. Now what I will do, I will pick a set of marks. Okay. And I will choose this paperclip icon. It has three options: all dimensions, region, subcategory. Okay. And I will pick all regions. If you pick any of the individual thing, it will group by only region or only subcategory. If I pick all dimensions only, it will group across the dimensions. And it has created a new field, new group. You can see it is a group. It is a paperclip icon, which means it is a group. And let us go to edit group. And now it is combination of both region as well as subcategory. See, east, west, central, these are regions, and copiers, binders, accessories, these are subcategories. Only combination of these is a group. Central and copiers, it is a group. And central can be there in other, and copiers also can be there in others. Only that particular combination only we are grouping. Okay. So what you can say, I mean, you can use it like I want what do you call, let us take some generic example which has I don't see any generic example. Can anyone give me some generic example?
For grouping, maybe we can do like small office appliance.
Sorry, come again.
Group some of those subcategories into a different subcategory. I know.
Maybe
Yeah, I
taking
mean,
an
not
office.
this. I am looking for some generic example which we can connect in the real time, real world.
Okay. Yeah, grouping according to ages or
Grouping according to ages. Okay, let us take this. So if you take Lenovo
Shirans.
manufactures mobiles as well as tablets as well as laptops
Laptops.
and PCs, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there are other brands PCs, there are other brands laptops, tablets and mobiles. Okay, but if I want only Lenovo brand tablets and PCs, nothing else. So what I can do, I can create a group with brand as well as the
Tablets
device
and
type. Brand is Lenovo, Samsung, Apple, many things. Device type means it can be tablet, PC, mobile, keyboard, monitor, mouse, laptop, anything. So I want Lenovo, mobile and PC only. So then it is combining, I mean, it is grouping brand dimension and as well as device type dimension, isn't it?
yeah.
Are you able to
yes.
follow?
Yes.
Okay. So that way, it will be useful to group across the dimensions also. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Until that, like selecting a device and the brand is okay. After that,
After that,
You're making all of them into you're grouping all of them as all dimensions.
yeah, so it is grouping across the dimensions.
Okay.
Okay, if you would like to remove anything, you can swap them across. Okay, you can swap the group members across the groups. Fine. You can edit the groups, you can remove the groups, you can ungroup it, you can rename the groups. Okay, I will rename it to most profitable. Okay,
Yeah.
so this way I can play with the groups with multiple dimensions also. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine, cool. Uh, Fine. It is not only grouping the dimension members, even you can group measures also. How? See, I will go to discount. Okay, and discount is a measure, and I have group option here. And now what I can do is I can say I can group them as less discount, high discount, like this. Okay, I can group them remaining. This is no discount, average discount, like this. I can group measures also. Okay, let us save this. And where it is saved? In the dimensions. Even though it is measure, once you apply grouping, it will be saved in dimensions. Okay, is that clear? Any
Yeah.
questions? No questions?
Why it will be saved in the dimensions?
I mean, once it is grouped, it is saved in dimension only, because
Okay.
that is the default thing it will take.
Okay.
Okay. Any more questions?
No.
No questions? How
No.
come?
Maybe after.
Today it is not
Can you
overload, right?
it's like can you give us like something else example like uh, how can we apply this grouping into something else like
Yeah. So what you can do, you can apply this grouping into colors like this. See, this group, these group members are shown in orange color. Other rest of the members are shown in gray color. Right?
mhm.
So like this, you can apply in colors, or you can apply in anything. You can apply different sizes. Okay, different shapes, like this. Or you can use that group member as a normal field also. It is as simple as any other field once you group it. Okay,
How are you selecting the specified charts for like now, like the scatter plot chart or the bar chart?
Yeah, that part we did not discuss yet. We have
Okay.
a couple of sessions in for that.
Okay.
Okay. Any more questions?
I just have one question. I still didn't get clarified with that filters when there are like 4 or 5 filters
Mm-hmm.
when they are all applied together.
Mm-hmm.
How does it work?
You mean yesterday's session? In yesterday's session, we have discussed data source filters, extract filters, those things you are talking about.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Did you finish practice?
Yeah, I tried that filters one like right after the class. Like
Okay.
my question is like how does it sort? Like you said it's going to
Yeah, it is going to follow a
combine.
particular order.
Okay.
Yes, but you do practice first.
Okay.
Okay, then you will come up with, I mean, some answer. If you didn't, if you are still I did not understand it, then we can discuss here. Okay, but as you said, no one practiced it completely, so it is not worth discussing now.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Can I ask a question apart from this course?
What do you want? No personal questions.
Like, no. It's not a personal question
Okay.
regarding this one only. But how, like, can you give us like some idea, like in which way we can use this Tableau? Like, for example, in insurance or in hospitals,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can use
so
it in
that
any domain. You
uh,
can use it in retail domain, banking domain, insurance domain, anywhere.
okay.
I mean, business intelligence is everywhere, right?
I know.
So,
Maybe.
what is your question? It seems you're not convinced.
Yeah. So my question is, suppose for example, we are taking in retail business.
Okay,
So here you told us about the grouping in case of states.
okay,
So okay, now I got it. Maybe I got the answer.
okay, fine.
And one more thing, can you share any Excel files for us to practice because we just have the sample superstore?
No, no, for now, this is good enough. I will share you some files later for practice. For now, this is good enough. It is, I mean, Sample Superstore is designed in such a way that it will cover most of the features of Tableau.
Okay.
Okay, so for initially, it is the best source.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you plenty of sources at the end of the class, so you can experiment a lot. But I don't want because to understand the data source itself, you need to spend good amount of time. Okay,
Yeah.
so during this course, we would like to understand the Tableau features. That is our primary focus. Okay, if you switch across the data sources, you will lose focus on the features. Your focus and effort, most of the effort will be on the data to understand the data sources. Okay,
Okay.
so I don't want that to happen now.
Okay.
Okay,
Are we having class this Saturday?
yes, we will have class on Saturday.
Same time?
Yeah, same time.
Okay.
But not on Monday, this Monday, please.
Not on?
Um, like we have a long weekend this Monday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, kids will be home, so I guess if everyone are okay, Monday we could skip the thing.
Yeah. Okay. If everyone is okay, I'm fine. Anyway, you three are friends, so nothing is in my hand. You can
Yeah,
bunk the
if
class.
Aishwarya is okay, then like we can
Okay.
skip the.
Actually, kids are going to stay home for 6 days.
Okay. Even on a Saturday
It's a winter
also it is
break.
same, right?
Yeah.
No, it's like this week, from tomorrow onwards, they're going to have holidays for 6 more days.
Like winter